Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. We got 3,620 miles on the odometer. Now you do have your drive modes, so you can go from your sport to eco, tow haul, all that good stuff. So driving it in sport is always the best. Makes for a really fun experience. Tightens up the wheel, makes the shifts a little bit better. This truck is four-wheel drive. It's got the Whipple. Drives nice and smooth, got the 10-speed, steering wheel's perfectly straight. Super fun truck to drive though. And of course you can switch it into 4 high on the fly. That's just barely getting on it, honestly. It definitely wants to move. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Look at that brushed finish on them. They look amazing. Got the Toyo Proxies, 285, 45, 22s. All of this is brand new. Color matched here, Ford Performance, color matched mirrors. Got the wheels, tires lowered, side exit exhaust. 0 blemishes on any of this paint. Looks absolutely perfect. The bed looks like it's never been used. A few tiny little scuffs. Perfect for a bed liner. Got the window tint, color matched front end here, all color matched. Look at the paint quality. They did a killer job on that. 0 rock impacts here on the hood. Fenders look amazing. Love the finish on those wheels. Did a really good job on that paint match. All right, checking out the interior. This thing is pretty much brand new. Looks and smells new. Absolutely perfect. Got the Ford Performance trim here with the plastic still attached. Vinyl floors, cloth seats. Absolutely perfect. Like I said, 0 flaws in here. 4-wheel drive. Perfect sleeper truck here. Here on that panel, absolutely perfect. Got the Ford Performance trim here. You have the plastic still on it. This is still attached. 0 flaws on the seats. Looks and smells brand new in here. Nice, scanning through the engine bay. Got the Whipple. All of this looks absolutely perfect.